Grave Digger 40th Anniversary Edition, Series 27. On the back of the card, the legacy trucks of the 40th anniversary of Grave Digger that we're going to be unboxing here in this video. Avenger that's in the World Finals series. Boogie Van, very cool. That's going to be coming up on an unboxing video. I have Boogie Van, Dragon, Megalodon. That is the chase piece, True Heavy Metals, which I was able to get at. And then we have Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Monster Mutt, that is the Mercury body, old school look of Monster Mutt. I have to still find Monster Mutt, haven't found him yet. Son of a Digger, and then Excalibur, which I haven't been able to find either. So out of all these trucks still, I'm just gonna be getting Monster Mutt and Excalibur. So those are the two other trucks that I would like to get from this series. So let's go ahead and unbox the 40th anniversary of Grave Digger. So for the bonus, we get a little plastic dirt ramp. On to now Grave Digger, the 40th Anniversary Edition. BKT lettering on the tires, green wheels, a green roll cage, and then we get a grayish looking chassis. There we go. Looking at the die-cast body itself, the graveyard, Grave Digger. There is the mountain ghost right there. And here it is, 40th anniversary, which we see on the circuit from last year. Up top, we get the flames, green flames going. Towards the back, Grave Digger. And there we have the skull creature looking, and then the tombstone 40th anniversary. So that's it. The other one that I'm gonna bring out right now was the Monster Jam exclusive. So earlier in the year, I didn't think that they were going to be bringing out a Grave Digger like this. So I purchased this when it was available on the Superstore last year. And you can see that it had red BKT lettering on the tires. It had red beadlock rings around the wheel, which I like. I think they should have did gray wheels for this as well, and then did something of a color for the beadlock rings. That would have looked nice for that on this one that came out in the stores. Of course, you get all the extra packaging, cool packaging and looking stuff if you got the Monster Jam Superstore edition. Not too much. A red roll cage motor, and then the chassis was a little bit different. As you can tell, a shiny red for the chassis. So that pretty much does it. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing of the 40th Anniversary Edition of Grave Digger.